Bill here again. Today's video was taken over the Hawkesbury River, and in particular it's of the Brooklyn Bridge and Pete's Ferry bridges and that area. I was using the Mavic Air 2. It's 4K at 30 and it's on auto. A little bit of useless history for those who are interested. The Brooklyn Bridge was built in 1968. It is a concrete girder bridge that carries the Pacific Motorway north of Sydney. The bridge is 616 metres long and was supposedly the first bridge in the world to be built of open steel trough girders. The Pete's River Bridge, which is the older style, it's the original bridge over the Hawkesbury River. Construction of that bridge commenced in 1938 but was not completed until May 1945. The two main bridge spans are case trusses of welded steel construction. Each truss span measures 130 metres, and these were the longest welded truss spans in the world when they were built. Don't know how accurate that information is, but that's what I've been told. Anyway, as usual, enjoy the video, and if you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks.